In this module, I'm going to show you how to express could have or should have in Spanish. And I think you're going to find this very useful because in English, we use these phrases a lot. For example, I could have done it. I could have told her. I could have gone there. I could have made a better decision, and so forth. And you can also exchange should for could. So I should have done it. I should have told her. I should have gone there. I should have made a better decision, and so forth. So we exchange this could and should a lot with have in everyday conversation. Now we can do this in Spanish too. The first thing to recall, or what I would like to ask you, is what's the handle for I could? So that would be podría. And you might remember we could add whatever verb we wanted to after that. So I could do it, podría hacerlo. This is the handle for I could. Now, to take it one step further and say I could have, what we do is we add haber, so the full infinitive of this auxiliary verb, we add it. So I could have, or I could have, if you want to contract it, would be podría haber. Here we have I could, and the haber stands for have, so podría haber. Now to that, what we want to do, just as before, is add the past participle. This is where we have our ado sound or ido sound if they are regular verbs. So for example, if we take the verb hablar, that would go to hablado, right, for spoken. So to express something like I could have spoken, it would be podría haber hablado. Breaking it down, we have I could have spoken. Podría haber hablado. How would you say I could have spoken with him? Podría haber hablado con él. What would the verb salir go to in the past? It goes to salido. Because it's an IR verb, we get this ido sound. So salido. Now try to say I could have gone out. Podría haber salido. What's the past participle of escuchar? Escuchado. Now try to say I could have listened. Podría haber escuchado. What's the past participle of copiar? Copiado. Now say I could have copied. Podría haber copiado. What does encontrar go to in the past? Encontrado. Now say I could have found. Podría haber encontrado. Let's fill in the other angles now, which is very easy. We already know that I could have is podría haber. To say you could have or you could have, it would be podrías haber. So we already know these handles from before. We're just combining them with this auxiliary verb of haber. So you could have or you could have, podrías haber. For he, she, or it could have, it's the same as I, podría haber. Then we have we could have. How would you say that? Podríamos haber. Podríamos haber. And then finally we have they could have. How would you say it? Podrían haber. So let's put them all on one slide. These are the could haves. We have podría haber, podrías haber, podría haber, podríamos haber, and podrían haber. Now, to that platform, that key slide, what we do is add a third verb, but it has to be the past participle of the verb. So we get that ado or ido sound. Or remember, we also have those irregulars too, like puesto or hecho, dicho, and so forth. But we have kind of a 3-step formula where you have I could, then have, followed by whatever past participle you put here. That's the formula for could have.